Welcome, in front of me I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I will show you how you can connect AirPods to this smartphone. So at the first you have to open charging case of your AirPods, then rotate them just like that and click and hold this back button to move them into the pairing mode. So let's make it. Click and hold it. Right now we can release that key when indicator is blinking and move for the boot settings on your DOOGEE. Tap on the pair new device and take a look on the list. When AirPods pops here, we have to tap on them to connect. So let's make it accept pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are successfully connected. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.